Jessie.
Hi.
She's happy. This is Gian. She's nervous. This is Ella. She's shy.
Shy.
Yeah.
Si Zara, iniwan na kami.
Si Zaira. Dito na ako. Hi guys. We're going to church because our soul is very dangerous.
Very makademonyo.
Yeah. No Tagalog. Just English.
Demons.
Wow! Perfect na, guys! Oh, your camera is good. Your camera is good. It's like iPhone Pro Max.
Wow. Grabe naman yan.
Where are we going now? We're going
We
to
go to School
Saint Peter.
St. Peter.
Ay, Saint Peter.
Sino? Sino nalaman?
Oh, Saint Joseph pala. Guys, wrong. Saint Joseph, hindi Saint Peter. Guys,
Kaya naman kami ngayon.
we're going to ride and jeep